I'm on Langton Street in Salford M6 to show you another listing we've got coming up. It is a large 3-bedroom property over 3 floors. As we head in, we go into the porch. This then leads to the lounge, which is separated from the dining room by an archway. And then we have a modern fitted kitchen to the rear. The property benefits from being within easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester city centre as well. It is also within easy access of several local parks. Upstairs, straight on, we've got this 3-piece bathroom. Then we've got the first of 3 double bedrooms for a generous size. Towards the front, we've got this large double bedroom again. And to the top floor, a spacious bedroom that also benefits from a dressing room just through here, which could also be used as an office. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.